Today's lesson is all about how to make trousers, but not just how to make trousers. What it is that I'm using a particular pattern. Here is the one that I've stitched the side, stitched along here. And this one, there's two different types, so this one's not stitched on top. That's top stitch, that one isn't. There's a pleat. That one's top stitched on top, this one isn't. I prefer the one that isn't, it looks more classier. And that's the pleat. So let's deal with one at a time. So this is the pair for this one, and now what we're going to do is we're going to join the back to it. So we're going to get our back. There's a pair. Now really, really what I should have done before I join it, I need to mark out actually where I'm going to put the back pocket. And the back pocket, I'm only putting it on one side. So let me put it back together and let me stick a pin through this. Gives me an idea where I'm going to put the pocket. So as you can see, roughly where I'm going to put the pocket. So I'm going to just do a little mark in there. Let me see now, just to remind me. Right, that's the one I'm going to use. Where's my tailor's chalk? So I'm going to put a little mark here for the time being. So that's my pocket. And then I'm going to decide which side. So that's this one. So he's only having one pocket. Okay. So I'm now going to stitch. I'm going to join one side of my trousers. There, I've got the raw edges, don't worry. So that's for that trousers there. And this is the other side. But I'm only having pocket on one side, and I'll work that one out in a minute. So I'm going to take this back to my machine. And I'm going to stitch this down. And then I'm going to stitch it going all the way down, and that's that done. And bring them back to my table. Oh, while I stitch that down, on one of them, I'll stitch the legs down as well. I'll stitch that down. So you'll see the shape of this, because I can do the pocket anytime. But when you do it, before you get to this stage, do that back pocket, because that is going to be difficult. You need a flat surface for that. At this section here, I'm overlocking and tidying up everything. Tidied up the crotch, tidied up the hem and the side. So all that's neat now is the back pocket and the zip to go in the waistband. Now, I have reached so far. That's one side of my trousers. Now to find the other one, the other pair. Don't forget, there was only one that I stitched. There it is, that's the pair. So these are the other ones. Push those aside for the time being. Now, here I have my pair of trousers, and what I need to do now is to tidy it up, but not. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to iron the seams backwards. These seams, they go backwards. Almost every seam on a garment, when you've done it, it goes backwards. Right, so to give it a bit of quality, let's give it quality. The seam is so this one now is going to go backwards as well. And to get it to look sharp, you stretch it to look sharp. So that's that one going backwards. So that's the seam. So now I'm going to turn it inside out. I'm going to turn it round the right way. Sorry, the right way. So there's my trousers leg. As you notice, I haven't done the back pocket as yet. So I'm going to line this up, seam to seam. So here we have our trousers taking shape. Now that pleat goes that way. So that's our pleat that goes that way. That's the crotch. So here we have our trousers taking shape. see it. There's our first legs. So I'll do on the other one. That's your first pair of trousers taking shape. That's it. And if I was to open it up, there it is, your first trousers. Let's put that crease in. Right, one down, two more to go. Put that on the hanger until I'm ready, and then I'll take my time and put that back pocket in, then stitch it up, and then put the zip in, and so on and so on. So that's one trousers. Now, just to double check it, let's get that leg that I haven't done, there it is. That's a copy of the original. Now, this is going to be part one because I'm having problem with my new package, which is Final Cut Pro. For some reason it won't allow me to send 30 minutes on, it's only 15 minutes. So anybody out there who knows how to change the share on Final Cut Pro so that it allows me to send 30 minutes, please help me. Well, part one is finished. Thank you for watching this section. Please do tune in to watch the final part of this where it's actually finished. I've actually made trousers before, but this one is different because I'm making 3 together, and it's different because I'm showing you how to use patterns that you've already got. Everything that you love and it's worn out, you don't need to throw it away. Just pull it apart and remake it. Thank you for watching. Part 2 will follow shortly.